In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your contacts in Outlook in just a few minutes. Let's get started by getting you logged into your Outlook account, as this is the first step in accessing your contacts efficiently. First, you need to navigate to the Outlook login page. This is the starting point for accessing all of your Outlook features, including email and contacts. You can do this by opening a web browser and entering the Microsoft Outlook address. This page serves as a gateway to all your communication tools under the Microsoft 365 umbrella. Once you're there, the next step is to find and click the Sign In button. It's typically located prominently on the page, designed to be easily spotted so you can quickly move to the next steps. After clicking Sign In, you'll see a page prompt for entering your email address. You should use the primary email associated with your Outlook account. Enter it carefully to avoid any login issues and ensure smooth access to your information. Double check that you've got your email entered correctly, as any typos could disrupt the entire process. With your email in place, advance to the next page by clicking the Next button. This is a straightforward but crucial step, facilitating the transition to the password input page. On this next page, you'll be required to enter your password. This step is vital for maintaining the security of your account, so ensure your password is kept confidential. Enter your password carefully, and if necessary, use the Show Password feature to confirm it has been input correctly. After confirming your password, proceed by clicking the Sign In button again. This action sends the confirmation of your credentials to Microsoft servers, allowing access to all of Outlook's features, including contacts. Once your credentials are verified and you're logged in, there might be a prompt asking if you would like to stay signed in. This is a handy feature if you're using a personal, secure device, making it quicker to access your account in the future. Click Yes to stay signed in if you find this beneficial, or No if you prefer to enter your credentials each time for added security, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Now that you're inside the Outlook interface, you'll be directed to your email inbox by default. From here, pivot to the People section to manage your contacts. This is where all the contact organization happens. From the main email screen, find the People icon on the panel. Clicking it will transition you over to the Contact Management area, where you can view, edit and add new contacts. Once you've clicked into People, you'll be brought to a list of your existing contacts. To add new contacts, you'll find an option to create a new contact. This is usually signified by a plus sign or a button labeled New Contact, depending on your layout. Click this to open a form where you can input contact details such as name, email address, phone number, and any additional information useful for you. Take your time filling out the details accurately to enhance your ability to communicate effectively. When you're satisfied with the information you've entered, the final touch is to save the contact. You'll see a Save and Close button. Clicking this ensures that all the information you've input has been stored properly. It concludes the process of adding a new contact, making it accessible from here on out whenever you need to reach someone quickly via email or phone. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Outlook, logged into your account, accessed the contact management section and added a new contact. This method is efficient and typically takes only a few minutes, providing an excellent way for you to keep track of your contacts seamlessly. If you have more contacts to add, simply repeat these steps for each new entry. Thank you for joining me today to learn about managing your contacts in Outlook. With these steps, you can easily build and maintain your contact list, facilitating better communication and organization, whether you're using Outlook for personal or professional purposes. Stay tuned for more guides and tips on maximizing your use of Microsoft 365 tools.